Hi there, how you doing? Let's learn together how we can easily grow giant sequoia from seeds. Let's start this. Let's then have a look at what are the pros and cons of growing a sequoia. Between the pros, we can definitely say that these trees grow tall up to 100 meters, which is equivalent to 330 feet. Other aspects between the pros are that it grows quite quickly and they grow at the pace of 1.2 meters per year, which is equivalent to 4 feet. Another aspect is, of course, that they live an uncountable number of years. They live up to 3,000 years. They cannot live any civilization. Between the cons, we must say that the roots of a giant sequoia will spread superficially at the radius that is 5 times the diameter of the trunks. Therefore, they will spread horizontally. Therefore, I strongly suggest to plant them far from any other tree you might have, and also from the foundation of your house, as they will reach them and they might create issues to it. So from where do we start? If you are lucky enough to have a sequoia in your area, then you will need to look for a cone that looks something like this one on your left. You can see it's brownish and green, and after some time, with the help of warm temperatures, it will open and the seeds will start to pop out from it. If you are not lucky enough to have a sequoia in your area, then I put the link in the description with some seeds that I tried myself and they work perfectly. Just go for it. Once you have your seeds, it's time for the second step of this process. You will need to put the seed in a kitchen paper and fold it in this way, spray some water. Put this paper in a bag and store it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 weeks, for a maximum of 4 weeks. This replicates winter for the seed. Finally, take out from the fridge the bag and sow the seeds in soil in the following way. Now you just need to be patient for 10-15 days and enjoy the results. After a month or 2, I usually repot the sequoia, as we need to give space to the roots. I really hope that this video helped you to grow a giant sequoia from seed, and the Sequoia in 6 months will look something like this. I will upload an update when is 1 year old, and the video will be right up here when available. Until that time, just subscribe if you don't want to miss any other videos of the autograph series by clicking on the nice orange here in the corner. See you soon.